Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. That is a proposal that can turn around everything for Terra Classic if this proposal is being accepted. Now they want to start charging just 1% from any wallet that have over 5 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC, and they want to do this for the next 12 months, which means if you have Terra Classic coins worth of 5 million coins, every month they will just remove 1% of that coin, and they will definitely send it. They will definitely burn that 1%. That means for those of you that have over 5 million coins, if this proposal is being accepted, they definitely will be collecting 1% of your holding, which will be burned, and that will happen in the next 12 months, which means in 12 months they will charge you 12% off whatever you are holding. Now let's assume 10% of 1 million is definitely 100,000 coins. So we are talking about 120,000 coins if you have 1 million coins of Terra Classic. With someone that have about 5 million, definitely you might be able to offer about 12%. 12% of 5 million coins should be between 50,000 coins. But I don't think people will accept this proposal. But if this proposal is being accepted by top holders, by Terra Classic community, definitely I believe this can be a turnaround, because it will help Terra Classic LUNC to burn billions of coins within the next 12 months. But I don't think this will be accepted. But if definitely they accept this, it will help Terra Classic LUNC to rise. It will help Terra Classic LUNC to pump, because we are going to record over billions of Terra Classic coins that will be destroyed. And of course, it will attract more investors into Terra Classic LUNC, which will definitely push the coin to gain high trading volume, which will attract more investors. But I think such thing will be difficult, but there's still a possibility that the top holders of Terra Classic community might decide to accept this. But remember, from 5 million coins upward, 1%, that is 12% in the next 12 months. So 12% of whatever you have. If you have 10 million coins, or let's just break it down, if you have 12 million coins, 1 million of it will be destroyed by Terra Classic. And I don't think it is that bad, but that's a lot of money. So that's why I said I don't think it will be accepted by Terra Classic community. But let's watch and see how it goes. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.